Well, hello. I have a basket. Wow. I've been invited to a 5-ingredient recipe challenge by my friend Amanda from Dick Dot and Cynthia from Our Big's Adventure. And let me see what they've given me. They've given me Thai style red curry sauce, a small bag of organic red potatoes, some organic frozen broccoli florets, an onion, and some boneless chicken breasts. So apparently I have to come up with something to make with all these ingredients.
Chefs, please open your baskets.
No recipe, just these ingredients. Wow, what am I gonna do? All right, I think I have it. I'm going to make a Thai inspired or Thai style chicken shepherd's pie. We'll see. So I have two things going on here. I have potatoes boiling because I'm making mashed potatoes. That's going to be the topping. And I have chicken that I am sauteing, and I'm seasoning it with some salt and also some pepper. I want to get a good sear on this chicken before we add all the rest of our ingredients. That way, the whole purpose is when you put it in the oven, it will just have to heat up. I want to get a nice crust on the top of the potatoes. That's the whole purpose of that. And to let all of the flavors blend together. Now, I'm just going to saute some of these onions, or this whole onion that I just chopped up. Okay, so the onions browned up real nice, just how I like them. I'm putting them in with the chicken. And then I have this frozen broccoli. And I think I'm just gonna put it in just the way it is in here. Now for the Thai style red curry sauce. We're gonna put this in here. We're just gonna stir this all around. Wow, that really smells good already. Now it's time to mash those potatoes. Okay, here's my potato masher. Now I don't use a hand mixer for my potatoes because probably should have used a bigger bowl. In my family, I don't know about yours, but we like lumpy mashed potatoes. We like potatoes with lumps in them. My husband is Irish. I'm Irish too. He really enjoys lumpy mashed potatoes. Next, I'm adding some butter. Let this blend in and melt. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of milk. Sometimes I add chicken stock, but I'm adding milk today because I just happen to have it on hand. Now I'm gonna season with some salt. Let's see how these taste. Yes, I'm using my finger. It's just my husband and myself. Okay. Those are pretty good. I'm gonna add a little bit more milk. 2 more fingers. That's good. All right, let's give this one last big stir. There we go. This goes in the baking dish. I'm going to take our potatoes. I don't know if it's going to be enough to cover the whole casserole, but we'll see. And I'm just spreading it around with my offset spatula. All right, well, I actually wish I had a few more potatoes. Feel free to use more potatoes on your chicken Thai style shepherd's pie with broccoli and onion. I will leave the ingredients I used and somewhat of a recipe. Remember, there's really no recipe to this. I'll leave all those details in the description below, along with all the other fabulous channels who are taking on this challenge. So I think I'm gonna bake this at 400 until I get some browning on the potatoes. See you in a bit. Well, here we are out of the oven. Now, the top didn't get as brown as I would like, but that's what torches are for. So we're just going to torch this. Try and get some browning on here. All right, a little better. I'm going to let this sit for a little bit before I scoop into it. All right, let's scoop some out. See what we have. All right, got some broccoli, we have some chicken, mashed potato. The one thing I didn't put in here, which is normal for like a shepherd's pie, is flour to thicken everything, but that's okay. Let's try some potato here. Oh, chicken. This is really tasty. Now I'm gonna have some onion, potato, and broccoli. This is a really good dish. The curry, the red curry sauce adds a lot of spice. It has vegetables, the broccoli and the onion, the chicken, and then the potato on top. The potato on top is very creamy, so it kind of levels out the amount of spice. I think I have a winner here. So, as I said before, I'm gonna leave somewhat of a recipe, or at least the ingredients I used, in the description below, along with all of the other wonderful channels that took on this challenge. So if this is interesting to you, I'd really love for you to make it and let me know how it turns out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. I put out videos at least once a week. So hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and that way you won't miss out on any videos. And I'll see you soon. Have a great day.